Hi, in this lecture we will discuss the social capital theory from Granovetter. In 1974, Granovetter published a famous book called Getting a Job that laid down the foundation of his theory. In this book he presented a fascinating table which shows how respondents had found their job. Quite surprisingly, it appeared that many people had found their job via personal contacts. Because Granovetter used data from a convenience sample, we may wonder, of course, whether his results can be generalized to the entire population of the US or even to other Western societies. Many studies have been done since his seminal work, and they find that, generally speaking, around 30 to 50% of jobs are found informally. And Granovetter also asked his respondents who their connections were that helped them to get a job. The second surprising outcome of his study was that most jobs were found via weak ties, not strong ties. So most people get their job with the help of people they rarely see and not via their close friends. And this finding has also been confirmed by follow-up studies. So people more often find a job via one of their weaker ties than via one of their stronger ties. Why is this the case? Granovetter believed that this has to do with weak ties having more relevant job information than strong ties. Weak ties, such as between person J and I, are more likely to create a bridge to other communities than strong ties. And this can give job seekers novel and important information on relevant jobs. In contrast, strong ties often give redundant information. And this is because, as in Network 1, everyone is connected with each other. So the information you receive from your close friends is often the same. In this way, Granovetter explains why people find jobs often via weak ties. But there is a problem with this explanation, and that is that people have many more weak ties. As we have seen, people have around 5 to 15 strong ties and around 500 weak ties. So based on pure chance, we would already expect that people find jobs much more often via weak ties. Therefore, we should ask the following question. What are the odds to find a job via a single weak tie as compared to a single strong tie? More recent studies suggest that a single strong tie is actually more helpful for getting a job than a single weak tie. The reason is that friends put in more effort and they see each other more often. In summary, Granovetter made two interesting discoveries. He observed that many jobs, even in contemporary societies, are found via informal channels. And second, he found that these jobs were found via weak ties rather than strong ties. According to Granovetter's social capital theory, this is because of information advantage. Weak ties often connect you to new communities, which can give you novel information about jobs. However, people have many more weak ties, and so if we compare one weak tie with one strong tie, recent studies suggest that a single strong tie is actually more valuable than a single weak tie. That's because stronger ties are more willing to help. Weak ties are not more valuable for getting jobs, they're just more numerous. Okay, thanks.